Discord, but I don't know how.
But too bad, too shame. I'm recording a video.
Alright, well, let's just go here.
Guys, we are playing Animal Company Part 2. And Murder on Loose Part 6. Still coming soon. We're still working on the edits.
Eli, come. Eli, come. Is it stuck?
Yes, it's stuck.
Yeah, just come.
Just come on, Eli. Oh no.
Come on.
Bro, there he is.
Come on, he's stuck, bro.
And I'm with Bashy with 2 videos, or probably 1, I can't remember. And we
Guys, why can't we just go back?
And we have a new special member, Eli, which is he's
Come,
afraid
Eli.
to go.
Eli, he's
Eli,
stuck.
just come on. He's stuck, okay?
No,
He's just
stuck.
yes, he is stuck. I'm taking a plunger.
Bomb right there. Bomb right there.
Bomb!
Get ready, get ready.
Evacuate!
We're good. Oh, we're chilling. Come. The slide is over there. Whoa.
It's gone.
We're
It's
good,
gone.
we're
It's gone.
good.
It's gone. It's gone.
Come.
Okay. Oh wait, they changed it. Eli, come
Wait.
on. Don't be afraid. Oh my god, that scared me. Come on.
Come on, boys.
Oh, what the fuck? Ah.
Be careful. Oh, we're.
It is the back rooms. Bro, I think Eli's about to die. I think he has too much. No! Oh!
Noni, what?
No, wait, Eli's dead!
No, Eli!
Oh my god, we have to go back there now.
Noni, what is that thing on your back?
There's nothing on my back.
Yeah?
What is
There's a
it?
plunger on your back.
Oh, I stick it. I stick it in my bag.
You can do that?
Yeah, you can do that.
What? Alright, well, let's go back.
Bro, I don't
Whoa.
think I can make that jump.
Nah, we're not making it. Eli, if you can hear us, we're not able to make it because it's a pretty hard jump.
Hold on, you need to go closer.
Come on.
Eli, if you're cool, then we can't go back because, it's too hard to make the jump.
Eli, over. Whoa!
Oh, son of a bitch! I am going for now.
Hello?
I'm going to the next tunnel.
Alright, Noni, we're heading towards you.
Copy that. I am waiting for you in the slide.
Copy.
Copy that. No, I don't want to fall.
Alright, me and Eli are.
No. Oh my god. I cannot see them and I can actually be blind. I can literally hear you. Over.
Alright, we're coming.
Oh. Should be hell to them. Ooh. I can hear you guys. I can literally hear you. I can actually hear your talking voice. Yeah, that's because he needs to kill himself.
Noni, we are at the park.
Copy that. I can see you now. Wait, did Sebastian? Oh no, he did not die. I don't think he died. Eli.
Hello!
Noni, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello! Hello!
Oh my god!
Hello!
We gotta go.
I'm putting it in my
Ready,
bag.
boys?
What's in this one? What's in this one?
Alright, we're gonna do this again.
Great, you actually
never
copied
been
This
me
one's
by-
easy.
Oh my god. I already know this one. This one is already easy before.
I've never been this deep into
Before.
the sewers.
Being in the sewers
I
is
don't
quite
have a
Whoa.
flashlight, bro.
Oh, this one's easy.
Oh, Eli made it!
Noni, which way?
This way. This way. No, right. Sebastian, right here. Sebastian,
I'm coming. I'm right here.
it's right here. It's
I'm right here.
It's also. You can also turn right here too.
Eli?
Eli's. Oh, there's Eli. And then go up here, and then go to the next slide. Oh hell no!
Oh!
Oh hell no! I'm doing
Oh,
this.
no.
Hell no! Wait, where's Eli? Oh, there he is.
Right here.
Yo, the mimic! The mimic! The mimic!
The mimic! The mimic! The mimic! The mimic! It's the mimic!
We're chilling. We're chilling.
Chill. Wait, act like the NPC, but if they do
Back
not
you have
work,
to stand
yeah.
because you have the light.
Bro, we need a crowbar to kill them.
Come here. Whoa, whoa. Holy.
I'm trying to push myself.
He's right here.
Where? Oh my
Right
god!
here.
Oh, there he is.
Hey brother, how you doing?
I've never been this deep into the sewers before.
I've
I
been
do
to,
remember
like, the
everything
gra-
about the sewer. Oh no,
I've
wait,
been
I
to
forgot the
zero
mimic is still
gravity.
there. I forgot the mimic was
I've
there.
been to the zero gravity place. That's it.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, he's
Oh my
trying to get us. I died! I died! No! I died! I just died? Fuck. Ooh, 110.
Guys?
I am fucking cooked. Hello,
I'm
Eli.
so scared right now.
Wait, hold on, you also died by the mimic?
No, I fell off.
Bro, I also fell off.
Bashy, I fell off of the slide and I lost all of our stuff.
Same. Alright, I can't buy a. I don't want to buy a flashlight
I'm
because
on my bed and I'm waiting for you guys.
I don't want to buy the flashlight because I need a crowbar to kill the mimic.
Are you guys in the sewers?
We're coming in the sewers.
No, we're coming back right now. I don't know why, but I can hear you guys and I don't like it.
Alright. What?
Do you
Eli, what are you
Is the
doing?
mimic gone?
I don't know.
There's a red dot on my map, and I don't know if it's the mimic or not.
Eli, come back here right now.
I'm on the slide.
Eli, come back here right now. I swear to God. No!
Are you guys in the sewer?
I am, but Eli's not.
Eli, please come to the sewers, bro. I don't want to be here with just no need. There was just 3 dots on my map. I don't know if there's another mimic or 2 bombs or something. I can confirm that it is 2
No! Oh, fuck.
right beside the slide over.
Great, now I died again by the sewers. God damn, bro. Alright, let's see how, what can I buy? I could buy nothing. And 34. Looks like I need more stuff. Bashy?
Yeah?
Should we go to the chicken's place? You know, to get the egg?
Well, I don't want to be stuck here. I have stuff. We can get the 0 gravity stuff. Come, just come.
Fine. Hold on.
Eli, can you please copy over?
Eli's coming.
The game over.
I think Eli's in Snapchat, I don't know. Alright, come on. Oh.
Noni, is Eli talking?
No, he's not talking.
Is Eli talking? Oh.
Eli died by the red light, green light monster.
You know what? I'm just gonna die by the mimic. Oh. Yup, it's definitely the mimic. I'm just gonna fall.
Right. No, wait, no! No. Wait, no. Great, now I'm back.
Noni, where's Eli?
I don't know, actually. He didn't talk.
Is he in the sewers?
I think so. I don't know what happened. No, wait, no, he died. I think he died. No, he died. He actually died. But I